So Bob, yesterday we broke a record that was decades. It was set in 1963, 104, but we hit 106 yesterday.
Yeah, and today a bit cooler, but still pretty hot. Looking at daytime highs in the upper 90s. Here's our weather headlines. First off, we have some pictures of the soda fire near Marsing, and this is from Philip, one of our viewers, and we're seeing some extreme fire behavior from that soda fire because of the winds, the low humidity, and I don't think we're going to get a whole lot of help from the weather at all today because we're still looking at a pretty hot day. Plus, we have a cold front moving across our area today. Already some breezy to windy conditions today, and I think those winds will get a little bit stronger later on this afternoon into this evening. And much cooler on Saturday, dry next week. Here's our time-lapse view. We had partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies much of yesterday, but right on schedule. This is looking northwest. You can see that smoke moving into the left side of your picture. And of course, we had some overnight thunderstorms, not in the Boise area, but in the Magic Valley, into the Wood River Valley, and some new lightning strikes, as you'll see. There's our latest view with the sunrise this morning. There we have radar going back about 4 hours, and most of the lightning strikes, Twin Falls area to the Wood River Valley. If we see some new fire starts, that's where it's going to be. Also some gusty outflow winds from some of those thunderstorms, upwards of 42 miles per hour peak wind gusts, 25 miles per hour sustained. And of course we have well, it's not only the soda fire, but also around Baker County, they're dealing with some fires, and they closed down the interstate for a time from North Powder to Ontario, even some evacuations in the Baker City area. Red flag warnings all across the Pacific Northwest, and again, we have one for a good portion of Owyhee County and Malheur County. That includes Grandview, Homedale, Marsing, and Murphy. It expires Saturday at midnight. In other words, all day today, for the most part, we're looking at red flag warning in that area. 81 degrees, winds. Pretty good breeze out there at 13 miles per hour sustained. And here's our satellite radar map. Cool weather on the way as this low pressure trough moves by to the northeast. Its main effect will be to bring a cold front through, and that will pick up the winds later on this afternoon, also drop our temperatures down, but hot again for today. Here's our Futurecast computer model. You can see, for the most part, cloud-free skies, some isolated showers again just off to the east. Saturday looking pretty good, much cooler on Saturday. Sunday temperatures bounce up a few degrees. And as far as future radar, you can see that most of the action will be the eastern side of the state. In the afternoon hours, we could see some isolated thunderstorms develop in our east central mountains, also around the Magic Valley, but for the most part, thunderstorm free here in the Boise area. As far as winds, they'll be picking up later on today as that cold front moves on through. See the shift in wind, that's a 7:30, and also the winds will be pretty strong. That's sustained. Could see some gusts stronger. They'll die out in the early morning hours. Here's our regional forecast. Partly cloudy, isolated showers and some thunderstorms and some smoke for the Magic Valley. Scattered rain, isolated thunderstorms for Sun Valley. Otherwise partly cloudy, some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. Also some areas of some smoke. Mostly sunny, hot, patchy smoke for the western end of the valley, for Canyon County as well. And for Boise, another hot one, but not as hot as yesterday's 106. Looking at some upper 90s today. It's still going to feel hot. Then some relief coming our way for Saturday. Cooler with some smoke. And then temperatures rebound a few degrees Sunday and Monday. Cooler again on Tuesday. Kelsey?